Hello, nail crew. Welcome back. Let me just tell you guys, I do my intro at least like 3 to 5 times every time because I always come in so hot and heavy, like, hi, nail crew. Or I come in like singing, hey, nail crew. Or I'm just like way too extra. And then I have to delete it and start over. Today was definitely one of those times. I must have said, hey, nail crew, like 10 times. Y'all, I got to calm down. I definitely don't need to drink coffee before I do my voiceover. That's the problem. I get my coffee in me, I get the caffeine flowing, and then boom, I'm like extra. You know what I mean? Because if you already know me, you know that normally I'm at like an 8. Anthony says I'm always at a 10, but I'm going to say I'm like at a 7, 8, right? And then when I get the coffee in me, or, oh Lord, don't let it be an energy drink. Oh my gosh. And then I'm at like 11 out of 10. So with that being said, be prepared because yes, I had coffee. Okay, just know that. So I might be a little extra today. Yeah, prepare yourself. Turn your device down just in case I sing or I yell or something like that. Turn it down now so that you don't have to complain in the comments that I owe you money for your visit to the ENT because now you're deaf. Okay, because I'm not paying anybody. All right, so with all that being said, guys, I've already prepped her nails off camera. I'm diving right into the acrylic application. If you want to see how I prep, I do have a prep video. This is what the thumbnail looks like right here, and a link to this video will be in the description box. Check it out if you need tips and tricks on prepping. And if you're still lost, confused, or your nails are still lifting, schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. The link to my website will be in the description box and we can prep together. All right, so I prepped off camera and here we go. So guys, I applied the clear acrylic base and now I'm going in with a nude. She said she wanted a nude, so I kind of got nudes out that I thought would fit her skin tone. So I was thinking this looked kind of nice, right? But then she's looking at it and I'm like, oh, she hates it. Oh, maybe she doesn't like it. I don't know. So I'm kind of nervous. If you guys want to know if she liked the nude or not, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and no, y'all, she did not like the nude. She was like, nope. So what I'm going to do is file it off really quick before it starts to set and harden. If you get acrylic on someone's nails and they're like, nope, nope, hate it, the quickest and easiest and most efficient thing to do is to file it off while it's still wet. Once you wait for it to dry completely and then file it off, you have to put a little bit more work into it. If you file it off while it's a little damp, well, it comes off very nicely. And that's exactly what happened. So, y'all, I picked a nice nude from Youngnails because this video is going to be about Youngnails. So I was like, okay, boom, like this would be a perfect segue. But she was like, nope. The acrylic was fine. She just didn't like the color on her skin tone. Overall, the color is nice. I must say though, guys, I'm glad that she looked at the color, she assessed the color, and she was like, nope, not for me. Because I do have other clients that will let me get through the entire set and then say, oh, this is too much, or I don't really like that color. And then at that point, it's like, well, too late now, honey. You got a whole set. So I'm glad that I did one finger. She was like, nope, not for me. Took it off, and now I'm going with another color. So the color that she liked is Eternal Beige from Nail Couture. So that's the color that she felt fit her skin tone a little bit better. It definitely has more of a pinky peachy undertone, and that's what she wanted. So that's what we're going with, all right? Nonetheless, we are still talking about Youngnails, y'all. Yes, more specifically, Tracy. Oh, man, y'all. I gotta get my giggles out. I gotta get my giggles out. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. All right, I'm gonna try to be less giggly. I'm back, and I'm gonna try to be less giggly. So here we go. So the other day, one of my nail sisters posted on a video. She left a comment and it said, hey girl, wait, let me try to read it like how I think she would have said it. Hey girl, Youngnails mentioned you in the video they posted yesterday. Tracy said she didn't watch the video but saw the title, I disagree with Tracy. The topic was removal. So of course I come back and I'm like, shut up. Stop lying. Like, I'm like, nah, they didn't see couldn't be my video. Couldn't be my video. So I'm like, okay, hold up. Let me go check. So I go check. I watched the video. Y'all, I watched that video. I said 3 times because I didn't want to be like embarrassing. I didn't want to seem like thirsty. You know what I mean? I didn't want to seem thirsty, but low key. I must have watched that thing like 5, 6 times. I sent that thing to Diana. I sent that thing to Ann. I'm like, yeah. Yo. For real. I was on cloud 9 all day. Do you hear what I say? No, seriously. Do you hear what I say? Cloud 9 all day. Yo, me and Diana, we was like talking and giggling about the situation all day. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I was on 10, like, all day. Like, I just got so hyped because I'm like, Youngnails recognize me, Lil old Nail Crew. Yeah. So I told her I watched it 3 times, but low-key had to be like 20 times. And I didn't even watch the whole video. I just watched the little clip where they talked about me. I'm going to play it for you. You know what? Let me just play it for you guys right now. I'm going to play it for you guys. And then, yeah. You know what? Here we go, y'all.
All right. Tracy what?
What is this?
Oh, I love that sound.
Where's mine?
Go get it yourself. Get yourself some.
It's family style. Get it yourself.
Get it yourself, man. Tracy had an interesting story about somebody. She was at late night, like going on, I don't know, it was a YouTube or Instagram. She came across a video. She thought it was ours. You saw your face?
I saw my face.
Yeah. And the video was called I Disagree with Tracy. And I said, so do I every single day. And then that was the most awful sound I've ever heard in my life.
It's all okay. Right. I disagree with myself all the time anyway, so it don't matter.
Hey, I think it's good. I think it's a good thing. I mean, you don't want, you want conversation out in the market, so.
Actually, I didn't watch the video because it was late and I just didn't feel like getting upset.
Oh, getting mad about a comment.
But I read the comments and it seemed like she was being nice. So.
Oh God!
I think she disagreed with my prep.
Well, whatever the case is, I mean, it's all good. Exactly.
I'm gonna do a video.
You've done
disagree with Habib.
Please, I still hold the record for like the most hated comments. So nobody's got me beat on that.
I will agree with that.
Yeah. It was nasty, and I don't care. Anyway, let's talk about what we're going to talk about today.
I totally forgot now.
It's removal of enhancements, fake nails.
All right, y'all. So that was the intro to their video. So the topic of their video was how to remove artificial nails so that you don't damage your nails. Beautiful topic, great topic. I feel like everybody getting into nails should definitely go watch that video. But I have not gotten past the intro. Okay, let's just say that. So let me just put that out there. I watched this video probably like 20 times, but just the intro where they talked about me because I get so excited every time I rewind it and then I just watch it over and over and then I'm like, okay, I'm done. So I have yet to watch the entire video on their take on how they remove nails, but I promise I'm going to get to it. I promise I will get to it. I just can't get past the fact that you guys talked about little on me. Like you guys, oh my God, I'm just, let me take another minute. Let me take another minute and calm down. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I'm calm and I'm ready to continue the video. Okay, no, I'm not calm. I'm not calm. I'm not calm. Y'all, I'm still so excited. All right, so in the comments, I was like, okay, so Tracy said she did not watch the video. Low key, y'all, low key, I think she watched the video. I low key, I feel like she watched the video. I really feel like in my heart, she done peeped some of the video, you know what I mean? Or at least that's what I'm going to tell myself so that I feel even better. I mean, it ain't hurt nobody. So I feel like she watched the video, and that's why it was okay to bring it up. Because had I been saying something negative about her or about them, I don't think they would have brought it up and talked about it. I don't think it would have been something that was the intro of their video. Like, why would they talk about someone who could have potentially been saying negative things about them? Like, you know, it doesn't make sense. So that's why I feel like, you know, maybe she did watch it, or maybe Habib watched it and they were like, oh, okay, you know, there's no mal intent here, so we could talk about it. So that's what I feel. That's what makes me sleep better at night. So that's what I'm going to believe, and that is that. So anyway, just to make sure, I did comment down in the comment section just to let them know, hey, Tracy, I didn't say anything bad. As a matter of fact, I took a screenshot of what I posted. So here's what I left in the comment section. So I said, that was my video, and I made it bold so that she could see it. And I'm like, it's me. Oh my God, that was my video. Tracy, watch it. It's not bad at all. Oh my God, I can't believe you guys even saw my video. Blah, 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 blah. Like, that was me when I was typing. Like, like a little chihuahua. That was me. And then Tracy actually read my comment. Actually, I'm not special there because I think they read all the comments, you know what I mean? But still, she read mine. And she said, let me try to read it like her. She said, I love it. I'm absolutely honored you did it. And then, you know, I left her with the smiley heart face because that's kind of like one of my favorite emojis. So yeah, guys, Tracy and I do not have beef. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I ain't got no beef with nobody. But I had to do a little clickbait. I had to do a little clickbait. So voila. But yes, y'all. Oh my gosh. So thank you to the nail sister that pointed this out for me. Otherwise, I probably would have missed it. I probably would have missed a moment to feel like I'm not going to say important because I know that we all are important, but in this nail world, there's so many really good, really talented people, really talented companies and things like that. Really, really good representation of like the nail world or the art form of nails. And, you know, I felt acknowledged, you know, even if it was just for a silly video that I did, a reaction cam, I still felt acknowledged, and I felt, you know, important in the world of nails or in this art world or even on YouTube for that matter. So yeah, it was a really good day for me is like where I'm going to leave that at. It was a really good day. Like I was smiling all day. Like literally right now, if you could see my face, cheese, all my teeth are showing, even the ones in the back. Okay, that's the grit. Like the Cheshire cat, bam. Imagine that on my face. Those teeth, that smile right here on my face all day, all day. And then just now watching the video back again, you already know what time it is. And okay, this is the last thing that I'm going to say about it, y'all. But I think what made it so much more fun was the fact that I'm always talking to you guys about manifestation and things like that. You believe it, you say it to yourself, and you just know that it's going to happen for you, right? So in one of my videos, y'all, where I did like my nail crew member shout out, and I said something about like, if another person was talking about me on their video, I would feel so special. And I said, if Femi Beauty or if Not Polish or if Youngnails mentioned me in their video, I would feel good all day. Like I would probably take a screenshot of it, blah, blah, blah. Like those are some of the things that I was saying in the video. I can't remember word for word, but it was along those lines. So I literally said that, right? And then I kind of thought about it in my head, like, yeah, I'm going to manifest that to happen. Like one of these big companies is going to talk about me on their channel. Like I said that. And then like the next day, maybe 2 or 3 days later, boom, it happened. Yo, are you kidding me? Like, yo, so that you guys cannot tell me manifestation is a coincidence. Like, that is not a coincidence, y'all. I'm sorry. So yeah, like all of that together kind of just made me feel good. Like, yes, Nikki, like you are really working on your manifestation. And also, you know, you're growing in the YouTube world. You're getting better at your nail art. You know, things are coming around for you. 2020 has really like shitted on a lot of people. You know, I try to find a better word for it, but there's no better word for it. Nope. I searched my data bank of words. I have plenty of them, but no, there's not a better word for it. 2020 has shitted on a lot of people, but I still feel like I'm trucking along like it's an uphill battle. But I'm getting to the top of the hill. 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 You guys already know. I told you I had coffee. When you click on the video, if I mention that I had coffee, you already know I'm going to be loud. I'm going to be sing-songy, and period. Like, that's just what it is. Okay. My video is almost done. I hope you guys don't have any questions about what I did, because I didn't talk about anything that I did today. However, if you do have questions in any of my application that I did today, you're like, why did she do that? What was going on there? Bop. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and I will get back to you. But if you watch any of my previous videos, I do go into detail sometime about what I'm doing. Most of the times I have stories to tell and I'm just talking about random things. Today was one of those times. I apologize. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. This is just a little entertainment for you guys. Okay. We can't always do tutorials every day. Like, sometimes I just got to get on here and vent. Get on here and chat. Get on here and be like, hey girl, hey. You know what I mean? So that's what today was. Today was a hey girl, hey, a story time, a chit chat sesh. Yeah, it was a chit chat sesh. So you're not going to learn anything today. I'm sorry. However, the nails are so cute. They're so short. Y'all, these are so short. Like, everybody lately has been coming to me and they're saying like they want short nails. I'm like, who are y'all? What the heck? Why y'all all want short nails? I have my sister's nails I'm going to post in a few days. Short. Muffin's nails I just did. I don't even think I'm going to post that video. Her nails are short. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I did 2 other people's nails, short and shorter. And I didn't even record them because I was like, boring, you know? Boring. No one's gonna want to watch that. But I did decide to keep this footage, you know what I mean? Because it was cute and it was a little different because I don't think I've ever done chrome on every single nail. Normally I do chrome as an accent nail, but I convinced her to let me do something fun. She wanted to walk out of here with all nude, like nothing, like just nothing, just bare nails. And I was like, come on, a little glitter. She said no. A little bling. She said no. I said a little decal. She said no. I said, what about a little chrome powder? She was like, okay, let me see what that is. I did it on one. She was like, okay, I like that. I was like, do you want it on all of them? Do you just want an accent nail? She was like, no, I need all my nails to be the same. So I was like, okay, boom. So I went ahead and did the chrome on all her nails. My first time doing that. And they actually turned out so cute. So I kept the video and here we go. Now, before I show you guys the finished photos, let's do the nail crew member spotlight. And today I am giving my spotlight to Miss Jean's Nails and More. Now, if you look at those long, I'm going to zoom in for you guys to see this. Do you see those long nails? Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. If you are into super long nails, check her out. I will leave the link to her YouTube page right in my description box. Click on it, head over to her page and drop a hey girl, hey, and tell her Nikki sent ya. Nikki sent ya. Nikki sent ya. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Yeah, the coffee is really kicking in now. And I am done. I am done. I thought the nails came out so beautiful. Drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys done a full set of chromes? Again, this was my first time doing this. I didn't know how beautiful it was going to be, but I absolutely love them. I love them. Let me know what you guys think below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.